Banda Vatos, thanks for tuning in. Yet another video. Infamous, thank you for liking the video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. And I wanted to talk about recently my phone's having some image sensor stability issues. I'm not sure what it is, but from the Facebook group I have noticed that everybody's having it a whole lot worse than I am. Something about the iPhone 11, the new ones, something about the new iPhones, it's just the vibration from the handlebars is just destroying the image sensor stability on those cameras. Now, I've had my phone on my handlebars for about 2,600 miles. I'm not even counting the miles on my other bike. And I haven't realized a lot of issues. I've only started realizing when I was taking some close-ups of the Plex audio system, just to kind of give you guys an idea of how it looks after the dings and after the Plex rubbing up against the risers. Now, I noticed on the image a pulsating, a fluttering of the image. Now, I contacted Samsung. I mean, I got it in March. It's only been a few months. Hasn't even been a year, but they had me do a flash. They had me do a reboot, and they had me take it to an authorized dealer for repairs. I took it to the authorized. I took it in with an authorized repair, and it was actually you break it, I fix it, something like that. One of those stores you see at the mall. You know, you kind of like you think they're a little shady. Turns out they're a Samsung authorized repair dealer or whatever. Took it to them. They had to re-flash it, but they told me it wasn't just a flash. It was going to be a complete reboot from the motherboard of the phone. So I had to leave it there with them. And I mean, it's only when it's close-ups. From what they told me, I actually had this footage already, but I lost it. I lost it because my hard drive took a dump. I took it over there. They told me that this was a common issue with Samsung's Note phone. So they believe most of the time the flashing of the motherboard, that actually fixes it, but I'm still having issues with it. I'm gonna be, showing you guys the footage. So if you have an iPhone, then I would recommend you not to put it on your handlebars. And so somebody on the Facebook group actually recommended, if you have an old phone or you have some kind of a media device that has all your music for your sound system, then that's what you would probably want to put on your handlebars. Like I said, I'm not having any issues, not close up, but just using the telephoto lens. It seems that the issue lies with the zoomed lens. So I don't know, but I saw footage on the iPhone, and that's a whole lot worse. They're not even zoomed in or anything. It goes out of whack, just randomly. They can't even use the camera anymore, even though it's a high quality camera. They can't use it because the stability is just not there. And I'm gonna try to put some footage in here and see if I could go back and find that footage. But this is with the iPhone. And the Facebook group, they also tried using an anti-vibration or stability mount for the phones, and it just doesn't seem to work. There seems to be the same issue. Someone claimed that after 100 miles of having their phone mounted onto the handlebar, it completely destroys the camera function on the phone. So just a heads up, just to let you guys know. If anybody doesn't know yet, then hopefully this helps you out, and maybe you won't place your camera on your phone on your mounts. So just wanted to give you guys a heads up on mounting your phone. If you have an iPhone, careful, be a little wary that your camera stability might take a dump. All right, stay out there, stay safe, ride safe, stay vigilant. Watch out for these texting and driving punks, these guys that aren't paying attention. Get out there and ride, and stay safe, man. Later.